Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Love Emoji inspired Valentine slushy. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet slushy, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of our cup. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big. Say about right here. Just makes it easier for me to draw my curve. And so now that I have those 2 points, I'm just going to use that as my guide and come about right here, which is my center. So that will be my lowest part on my curve. And then now I can go right back up. So it just makes it a little bit easier to draw a curve. Then from there, I'm going to come right back here where we started, round it off on both sides. And then just go ahead and draw another curve following the top to finish it off. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a cup. So we're going to come in a little bit and about right here, just going to give myself a point and here as well. And we're just going to draw an angle line all the way down. So I'm just going to work on this side first. Just going to create my angle for this cup. So let's say about right there. And then same thing on this side. Just try my best to match the other side. And about right there. Now about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and just round it off at the bottom, the corner, and then connect with a curve to create our cup. There. Then from there, let's draw the slush at the top. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to build up this mountain. So we're going to go up and let's see here, go up again. And towards the center, we're going to go ahead and curve out and then come back in. And on this side, I'm going to just draw 3 curves to finish it off. 2 and end up right here. There. Nice big mound of slush, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and draw a straw. So let's say about right here, I'm going to stick a straw in here. So I'll just draw this angle, this rectangle, and put it in. And then if you like, you can come in here with some details for your straw. And let's see, then let's finish the top first. So I'm going to add some hearts in here because it's Love and Valentine's inspired. So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a wobble. And then in this spot right here, I'm just gonna pop in a heart. As if the heart's sticking into the slush just to decorate it. And then another one over here. So let's say about right here. Just gonna wobble again. And then right here, we're gonna stick another heart at a different angle. There. Okay, so hopefully that looks like the hearts inside the slush. Then from there, we're going to draw a big circle in the center for our love emoji. So I'm going to start, let's say right about here. This will be the center of my emoji. And I'm just going to drag this across, just so that I know where I'm going on the other side. So about right here, just this about same space. And I'm just going to use that as my guide to create this circle. So if you don't feel comfortable drawing this circle, since it's pretty big, you can definitely find something at home to trace. But I feel like it looks better if it's not too perfect, and we know that it's hand drawn, right? Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the bottom. So just having those 2 points just makes it a little bit easier to see where I'm going with this big circle. There. Okay, so now I have this big circle in, I can create my love emoji. So I need to draw 2 hearts for the eyes. So I'll start on this side and let's see here, bring it down to an angle about here. Using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and draw my heart. There, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, about here and here. And don't worry, it's not going to be exact. I just want it approximate in the same area and about the same size. And always, you can make adjustments if you need, right? Okay, so now my 2 hearts in, we're going to build a big smile. So right underneath these hearts, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath. And then fill it up. Very happy. There. And then above each heart eye, I'm just going to draw a little curve. There. Okay, so then to decorate our slush, I thought it'd be nice to just add some different levels, different colors and flavors perhaps. So say we're about right here. I'm just going to kind of wobble a little bit so that we can add some different colors to our slush. And maybe another level here. And I really hope you have fun coloring this. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a love emoji inspired love Valentine slush. I really hope you love it and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.